What if I told you you can turn simple text into cinematic videos in seconds with just one AI tool? Let me show you how to do it, free. A cinematic shot of a 24-year-old stylish man walking confidently down a modern urban street at golden hour. Realistic lighting, shallow depth of field, soft background blur, warm tones, moody vibes. Let's dive in. Open Chrome or your favorite browsers. Search runwayml.com. Click on Try Dream Machine and sign up. It's free. This tool lets you type any idea, and it turns it into a full cinematic video. Now type something like, a cinematic shot of a 24-year-old stylish man walking confidently down a modern urban street at golden hour. Realistic lighting, shallow depth of field, soft background blur, warm tones, moody vibes. Now watch as the AI turns your idea into a real video, complete with camera movement, lighting, and depth. This looks like something out of a movie trailer. Want better results? Be super descriptive in your prompt. Add camera angles, emotions, lighting styles. The more detail, the better the video. This is just the beginning of AI video tools. Subscribe to SK Editing for more free AI tools to level up your content. And drop a comment if you want part 2 with secret hacks.